Hello everyone, today's topic is how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in this Excel sheet, if I click on this A3 cell, here you can see a drop-down icon appears. When I click on this, the name of the products are given here from which I can select a specific product. If I click on this month selection, the drop down appears from which I can select a specific month, and here in the status also I can select a status. To create this type of drop down, first of all create the list of values that you want to put in the drop down. Like this is the product name list, this is the month name list, and this is the status list. You can link these values in the drop down by clicking on the cell, then go to data tab, then click on this data validation. In this data validation window, click on this drop down, then select list. Click on this source box, then go to this sheet 1, then select the name of the products. Then click on OK. This will create the product selection drop down. Similarly, for the month selection also, you can click on the cell, go to data tab, data validation, select list, click on the source, go to the sheet where there is month name list, then select the range. Then click on OK, and here you can see the month selection drop down is created. If you don't want to create a list in the sheet, then you can directly use the values in the source by going to this cell, click on data validation, select a list, then here in the source you can directly put the values like not started, comma, in progress, comma, then hold, then click on OK. This will create the drop down selection menu here from which you can select the value. So this is how you can create drop down list in Microsoft Excel. If you want to learn more in Excel, you can visit my channel's video page and explore the topic of your interest. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next tutorial.